collaboration skill. Collaboration skills refer to an individual's ability to work effectively with others toward a common goal or purpose. In an increasingly interconnected and interdependent world, collaboration has become an essential skill for success in both personal and professional contexts. It involves communication, cooperation, and coordination, along with the ability to work effectively in a team environment. Individuals with strong collaboration skills can build strong relationships with others, communicate clearly and effectively, and contribute to the success of a team. Developing collaboration skills involves active listening, effective communication, and the ability to give and receive feedback. By cultivating collaboration skills, individuals can better navigate complex situations and work effectively with others toward shared goals. It is your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go. Great job! Please comment, subscribe to our channel.